everything changes. Glow deeper, feel softer, look unforgettable. This isn't just skincare, it's your skin seduced. Infused with vitamin C, E, and turmeric. It's radiance bottled. Touch, drip, glow. Because your skin deserves desire. Klee by Light.
You can make them hold any products and say any script you want to promote your product.
This is how you can create an AI model that can hold your product and also promote your product. The best part of this is that you can give it a command on what to say and how to say it, okay? Like the one you're seeing right now. You can also make them speak in different languages to appeal all your audience. So I'm going to simply teach you everything you need to know about this and how to create this and also use this to promote your product, your affiliate links, and lots more, okay? And this is going to simply work for you also if you have an e-commerce store that you need to promote your product, okay? All you need to do is simply pay close attention to this very video, do what I'm about showing you right here, and it's going to simply work for you, whether you're using a mobile phone or desktop, okay? So without further ado, let's get into it. Head over to your browser and search for topview.ai. This particular AI tool is a powerful tool that can help you create massive AI marketing videos that drive traffic and sales to businesses and products, okay? So with this AI tool right now, you can promote your product, you can promote your business. When you come to this platform, the next thing you have to do is to click on this sign up button right here, okay? So if you click on this sign in button, you have an account, but if you click on the dashboard, then you're going to simply prompt you to this session where you have to log in. But if you don't have an account, just click on this more icon here which says sign up. Then you can sign up with your Google account, with your Apple account, or you sign up with your email address, okay? Then you click on this sign up button and they're going to simply send you an email confirmation, okay? And you have to verify your email before you get started with this, okay? So I already have an account. I'm going to simply show you one of my accounts right now on this very platform. Okay, so this is the account. When you create your account and log into your account, this is what you're going to simply see. You can show right here, it says create videos from link. You can simply paste any YouTube link or maybe affiliate product link and also generate video for that, okay? But there are some tricks and strategies for creating videos with link on this very platform, okay? And if you want me to make a video about that, just comment link to video. Then I'm going to simply show you how to convert your affiliate link to a video link from Shopify, Amazon, eBay, Etsy to videos, okay? So if you want me to make a detailed tutorial about that, comment link to video on this comment section, then give this video a like, then also subscribe to this video channel to stay updated on what we do here. If you don't subscribe, there's no how you're going to see my videos again. You have to subscribe and stay tuned, and also join us on the Telegram and WhatsApp channel so that you won't miss any of my updates, okay? If you've done that, let's continue. So in this very session, you have to make sure you neglect all of these things right here. Then you scroll down a little bit. This is what you're going to simply click. This section that says product avatar, just click on it. When you click on it, it's going to bring you to this very page here. On this very page, this is where you're going to simply see all the models, all the AI models available currently, okay? And you have to be mindful of this. You have to know the type of product you are promoting here, okay? So if your product is about mobile phone, then you have to make sure you take screenshot of your product, okay? Or you take photos of your product. If it is about maybe a shoe or maybe mug cup, or maybe you are selling a fan, television, all of those things, you have to make sure you take photos of them, okay? So for instance, on my desktop, I have some series of photos I've already taken right now. So what I'm going to do right now is simply go over to this second website, which is going to simply help us to remove the background of these images, okay? This product right here that they are holding, they don't have background, okay? So we're going to simply do the same thing so that it is going to match with what we are designing. So head over to this remove BG. This is an application that's also going to help you remove the background or anything, okay? So what I'm going to do right now is simply click on this upload image, select the product you want to promote, okay? All right, so you can see right here the background has been removed. Then click on this download button. Okay, this has been downloaded right now. Then the next thing you have to do is simply come back to this very section. Then you have to simply select the type of AI that you want to use. You can use this particular AI tool for free, all right? But if you want to migrate, you can simply go ahead and upgrade, okay? So I have a link in the video description that can help you get a discount for this, okay? So you need to do is simply go ahead and click on any of these right here. Then for instance, if you want to use this one, you can use that. If you want to use this particular lady right here, you can use that. So for me, I'm going to simply select this lady right here, okay? So this one is a little bit bolder. So the next thing you have to do right now is simply go ahead and click on this replace with my product image. Click on that, then select the image with no background, okay? So this is the one we're going to select. Then click on upload. allow it to load, give it some few seconds. So while you're waiting, click on that like button, subscribe to this video channel, and also join us on our Telegram channel so that you won't miss any of my updates anytime I upload videos right here. Okay, so let's wait for it to load. Okay, so you're gonna simply drag this, then confirm your product position. Okay, then click on confirm. All right, so we got the three images right here. These are varieties of images that you can simply go ahead and select. Okay, so if you want this particular quality, you can go for it. If you want this quality, you can go for it. If you want this one, you can go for it. You can see right here the image is settled. Okay, but this is not the end of the game. What we're going to do right now is simply go ahead and convert these particular images right here to videos. Okay, then click on this image to video avatar. Right, then when you click on that, allow it to load. Alright, so here we are right now. This image has been converted to a video. Okay, so
I'm top view product avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products. Use top view product avatars to make your video marketing faster and more effective.
okay, so this is what we're having now. All right, so the only thing left now is for you to add your own speech, like your own script, for it to say what you want it to say. Okay, so that is what is left right now. So the next thing you have to do right now, simply click on this save avatar and use my script. When you click on that, this is what you're going to simply see. So another thing you have to do right now, simply click on this, then you have to make sure you add the script right here. Okay, when you add the script, then click on this generate button.
Our stylish ceramic coffee mug is designed to make every sip an
And also go ahead and change the language and make this work perfectly for you, right? So this is basically how it works, and also use that for your advertisement, for your social media pages and all of that. Okay, and you make more sale and get your product out there to your customers. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and join us on the Telegram channel online. See you in the next video.